So here, the second floor of a light manufacturing building is constructed from a stone concrete slab of thickness A equals 8 inches, with an added cinder concrete fill of thickness B equals 5 inches, as shown in figure 1. Here's figure 1. Cinder fill, concrete slab. And then there's the ceiling, I guess. So it actually gives us, it looks like it gives us the dead loads for concrete, strong concrete, suspended metal lathe and gypsum plaster. So it says if the suspended ceiling of the first floor consists of metal lath, I don't know if I'm saying any of that right, and gypsum plaster, determine the dead load for design in pounds per square foot of floor area. So we know that in the end our design is going to have to equal pounds per square foot. So it's going to be like a weight over an area. So I'm assuming stone concrete is the same as cinder concrete. If we go back here, I don't know why that reset. Yeah, there's just stone and cinder, it looks like. Of course, that's in pounds per foot inch. Foot squared times inch. This is foot cubed. Foot squared inch. That's an odd one. That is an odd one. But we can get it in pounds per foot squared, I think, fairly easily. So I'm just going to assume... that this is stone. That's the best I can do. So for the cinder concrete, we have 9 pounds per foot squared times inch. And we're going to multiply that by cinder concrete, a thickness of 5 inch. So times 5 inch. And this will give us a weight in pounds per foot squared. And similarly for the concrete of stone, or strong concrete, we have 12 pounds per foot squared times inch. And we're going to multiply this one by 8. Stone concrete is a thickness of 8 inches. And again, this should give us pounds per foot squared. Now, I still don't have my calculator, so bear with me. This should just be 9 times 5. 45. And then 12 times 8. Whoa. 12 times 8, which is 96. And then lastly, we are just given that the last one is 10 pounds per foot squared. So what I assume we do is we add all these up, and right here is just metal lath and whatever gypsum is. So we've got 106 plus 45. So that's going to equal 151. So we come here. Yep, there we go.